How to apply CSS for rounded corners on HTML tables. Creating visually appealing web designs often requires the use of various CSS techniques to give web elements a polished look. One simple, yet effective, method is applying rounded corners to HTML tables. This can transform a plain table into a more modern and professional-looking component. In this guide, we'll explore how to achieve this using CSS, eliminating the need for images. The border radius property. At the heart of creating rounded corners in CSS is the border radius property. This property allows you to define the degree of rounding you want on the corners of any HTML element, including tables. Basic implementation. To apply rounded corners to a table, you can simply use the following CSS code. Here's what each part does. Border collapse, separate. This setting is important because it makes the borders of the table cells separate, allowing the border radius to have an effect. In some instances, border collapse might create undesirable results. Border radius 10px. This is where the magic happens, specifying the radius of the rounding for the table's corners. You can adjust the 10px to suit your design preference. Overflow hidden. This property ensures that any child elements within the table remain within the rounded border. Without it, child elements might overflow the rounded edges. Applying to specific table parts. The border radius property can be applied not only to the entire table but also to specific parts like individual cells, headers, or footers. Here's how you might approach applying rounded corners to just the header. Browser compatibility. The border radius property is widely supported across modern browsers, and one of the great advantages is that it doesn't require vendor prefixes anymore. However, for some very old browser versions, such as IE8 and earlier, this property won't be supported. Advanced techniques. In more complex designs, you might want to apply more intricate styling like different rounding on different corners. This can be done using each corner can be controlled independently, giving you a finely tuned control over your design aesthetics. Conclusion. Applying rounded corners to HTML tables can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your web pages by providing a sleek and modern look. The use of the border radius property is straightforward and doesn't require additional image assets, making it a lightweight solution that improves page load time and performance. Experiment with different values to see what fits best with your design needs while maintaining cross-browser compatibility.